Hey, what's going on, guys? I have a unique Montana high country to show you. This is the 377FL. It's a really unique floor plan, and I don't want to give away too much, but I'm going to save the best part for last. It's all really great, but my favorite part is at the end. So it comes out weighing 13,267 pounds with a overall length of 41 feet 11 inches. This thing is massive. So here at the front, you have your pin box. So that's where you can line up your tow vehicle. This does have the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. And then just above is the patented hitch vision. So you can use this to line up your tow vehicle. Of course, you have accent lights on your front cap and a great big window too, and I'll show you where that leads on the inside. Spot for a battery plus some additional storage is at the front. And this is locked, but the other side is not. So this is leading into your pass-through storage. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And you have a power awning as well to relax underneath. And then here is your main entrance, solid steps plus the oversized grab handle, Bluetooth capable outside speakers. And this does have 6-point auto leveling. 4 Seasons coach as well, and this is a 2022 Keystone model, so you do have solar panels on them. Access to your water heater, and then in this slide out you have some extra storage. You actually have 2 slide outs here on your camping side, but it does not get in the way of your power awning, so you still have a lot of outdoor living space. And then towards the back, a ladder so you can climb up there and just keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. And then you also have some additional storage. On our non-camping side, which you don't see too often, you have another entrance into there. And this actually is right across from the bathroom. So if your guests or your kids need to use the restroom really quickly, this is the spot to do it. 2 more slide outs. And then here is our pass-through storage. So even more space to put extra camping gear. You also have power outlets and a satellite and cable hookup if you want to have a TV set up out here. Exterior shower that does come with a nozzle, so you have access to hot and cold water. And then here's your multi-source signal controller for your Key TV, satellite roof prep. This also where you have your city water connection, winterize, freeze guard winterizing system, tank flush, and you can also connect all of your tubes down in here. You just unscrew it, and that way you're still able to close this heavy-duty door, and it all looks nice and neat. But that covers that. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, leading up these steps all the way to the front of the camper, we have our front living, and this room is completely massive. It's all technically one room, but because you have this half wall right here, this is kind of its own little movie theater nook area, and I really love it. Each of these slide outs has a sofa, and it does expand out into a bed, so you can sleep 2 people per bed depending on size. So it's a great spot for your kids, your guests, your friends wanting to come camp with you, and they're very plush material for your sofas. You also have theater reclining seats right across from your entertainment center, so perfect view. You have windows all across, even at the very front of your camper, and each of them have roll down blackout shades. But if you want to have your TV down like shown, you really can take advantage of your view wherever you park your camper, so that is pretty awesome. Just below you have your 30-inch all electric fireplace that actually kicks off some heat, so I really wish it was on right now because I am pretty chilly here. And this is a 4-season camper, so you can have this heat up quite a bit of your camper, or you can just have those really pretty lights going during the summer nights or leading into fall and everything like that. Just above is a tinted screen, and behind there is access to your DVD, Blu-ray, all of that stuff for your TV. Of course, you have speakers on either side. That is also where you can control the panel to lift up your TV that is just behind there. So when it is down, like I said, you really can use that window space for a nice view. You can also have your decorations and knickknacks just behind. Storage compartments are on each side. The one up above has built-in shelves, but it has that glass paneling on the outside of it. Moving along, down the steps into our gorgeous kitchen and dinette space. Located built into the staircase leading up to the front living room, you have a vacuum system. So this comes with about a 30-foot nozzle, and you're able to vacuum up every single square inch of this camper, even your tow vehicle, if you have it pulled up right next to your main entrance. This half wall is just some additional storage. It also has your control paneling in it, so that's where you can access those slide outs, awnings, everything. But the rest of it is pretty much just some storage for anything you want, really. Same thing down below. Residential size stainless steel refrigerator, and this thing is pretty massive. Of course, your freezer down below. Freestanding dinette. You can move these chairs every which way that you would like. There's also storage underneath these for placemats or coloring books, and you can extend out the tabletop too if you need the extra space. The sale price comes out to be $77,985, and then just across from there is our gorgeous kitchen. All solid surface countertops. Love the white with the lighter cabinets as well, and then you have the darker hardware. All of this drawer storage is kind of connected into this additional countertop space, so lots of food prep, lots of storage. This thing is pretty much loaded. Power outlets are located on the back for small appliances. More cabinet storage up above. Nice windows so you can have a view while you are washing dishes or cooking. 70-30 split stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle. And you also have the solid surface sink covers, so you can use this for extra countertop space. More storage. 3-burner stovetop. Very, very large oven. And you probably could fit a turkey in there because Thanksgiving is coming up. Residential size microwave, more cabinets, and then this is where you can control your ACs. You do have a, like I said before, a door located on your non-camping side too, so if you need to come in, access something really quickly, go to the bathroom, you can just come in through this door. And then just behind, we have our bathroom with very, very, very tall ceilings. So if you are a taller person, you do not have to worry about hitting your head. Skylight and vent fan are located up above. Then we got our porcelain foot flush toilet with ample leg space. Nice sit-down shower, great for relaxing with the clear sliding glass doors. Love the black matte finish on the faucets. Medicine cabinet. Then you got your sink. Storage below, power if you need it, a few hooks for your towels. And this is where it gets really interesting. So, coming towards the back before we enter our master bedroom, there is this little tiny staircase with a railing, and it actually leads up to, drum roll please, a really awesome lofted area. Now, if your kids are not wanting to sleep up here, they just want to use the sofas up front, you can use this for some extra storage. Even your dog can fit up here, you know, a crate, anything like that. But it is a really cool spot. I definitely would take advantage of this. I would claim it. I think it's really cool. There's all of those built-in shelves. There's a spot for a TV. You have power outlets everywhere, windows too, and it's really tall. I'm not quite sure how tall the height is right here, but I could probably set up. And then, of course, you do have an AC as well to stay nice and cool. Railing for some safety, but thought that was pretty interesting. And then just below, you have a sunken in master bedroom. One step to get down here, but king size mattress with additional storage. Interesting shelves on both sides as well as windows. And then also located in here, you have a spot for a washer and dryer. So you really can use all of your extra closet space that is located over here and have your separated washer and dryer, so it's not taking up any more closet space. And then just behind here, massive closet with a clothes rack that extends all the way across, as well as a shelf. And if you thought you didn't have enough storage, you have a bank of drawers in this dresser right here. You can place your TV on top of this countertop space, or you can hang one up too. There's also a spot for that. But there you have it. Any sort of questions or concerns about this Montana, you guys, feel free to let us know.